$500 million at the beginning of 2017 or beginning of 2018. Today, 1 year later, as a result of use of this advanced world-beating technology of EcoCash, Strive Masiiwa's net value is now at least $1.4 billion. But the same, so he has become a net. He's not just a bond billionaire. Jonathan Irojet. He's a real US billionaire. But the same Strive Masiiwa is at the forefront of fighting for casualization of labor, outsourcing of labor, fighting trade unions, fighting the right to strike, and ensuring that workers are paid peanuts. So this is exactly the fundamental contradiction of capitalism that cannot be resolved by giving the lead power to this class to lead society forward. Its interest in its profits does not allow it to play this role, including allowing the fourth industrial revolution to take place. I conclude, comrades and colleagues, by saying, again using the very same problem of Strive Masiiwa. Strive Masiiwa has now expanded with his liquid from Cape to Cairo, and is now going to do across West Africa. And Strive Masiiwa said, the person that I must thank the most for allowing me is Paul Kagame, when he was the AU president. That is the butcher and dictator of Rwanda, is the one who facilitated him. The same Strive Masiiwa now says, I'm thankful that General Sisi is becoming the incoming chairman of AU. The butcher of Cairo is his friend. So these are the friends of authoritarian liberalism. They cannot be the friends of democracy. Comrades, my view, and I've raised this with Arthur, that whilst I agree with the regional integration thing, which class must drive? I believe the only class that can drive this is the working class. As Karl Marx and Engels argued more than 150 years ago, the working class knows no border, the working class knows no country. Today, as Wingy D argues and sings in his song, the workers of Zimbabwe are all over the world, from South Africa to